Okay, here's our multiplayer, our little test bed game here. And let's see, I can't join a game because nobody else is playing because this is the only copy of the game in the world. So I'll create a game. And this is some text I already entered describing it, and I want the permissions to be public so that anybody can join it. And then I'm going to press OK. And I'm in my game. Now, while I'm in my game, I can hold the T key and I'll start talking. Talking. And you can hear my voice being reflected back to me because I have that enabled just for debugging. Normally, your voice will get broadcast out to every other player, and you can selectively remove players from receiving that as well so that you can make it so that you're only talking to your own team. When a player is talking, there's an indicator. I'm just drawing a box around their avatar. And that's done by retrieving the sound source that's associated with that player and then checking to see if it's what its state is. If the sound source is currently playing, then that little rectangle gets drawn. So everything you're seeing here is made with the Leadwerks API, and this fits really nicely into it. And yet it's still very, very flexible. You can really do anything you want with it. And it's very exciting to me because with this combined with the lobby system and the peer-to-peer networking, that means we can create like something like Left 4 Dead in just a couple, maybe 100 lines of code or so. It's pretty awesome to have this kind of capability. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what kind of new things the community is able to do with this. I think building a multiplayer game for the community to play is definitely something that I'm very interested in, and we can have specific we can have special events like, hey, it's Saturday, let's all shoot Josh or whatever. So this is all coming in Leadwerks 4.6. You can get the beta right now on Steam, and that's all for now. Goodbye. Echo. Oh yeah, there's another. One more interesting thing I implemented in this was the sound source for other players. It sort of pitches up and down depending on how much time there is left on the buffer. So if there's not enough padding left in the buffer, then the sound will slow down like up to 2%. And if it's falling too far behind, then the sound will play a little bit faster. I found that was necessary in order to prevent choppiness, and it worked extremely well because before this was like cutting in and out, and now it's just a nice solid green down there. You can see the sound is constantly coming in without any gaps. So that's fantastic. Echo. Delay. Yeah, and you can see there's a slight delay, but it's never, if it gets too long, then the sound starts speeding up to compensate for that. So it's really good, and I'm very happy with how it's turned out.